The future of fashion is here. Just imagine an AI that showcases your clothing brands on stunning models without the need of expensive photo shoot. You don't need to hire the model or agencies or editing teams. Just upload the photo of your clothing design and let the AI do the rest of the things. So today I'll show that tool that does everything in fraction of time, really inexpensive way. The tool name is Kling AI. So first go to the Kling AI website, click on sign up and log in using your Google account. Then click on AI image section. Here you will find two options, text to image and AI virtual try on. To generate AI model, click on AI model. Then select the gender, age, skin tone of your model as per your preference. Next, enter a prompt in the given box and choose the aspect ratio. Generating one image will require 5 credits. So finally click on generate and within a few minutes your AI image model is ready. Here is the final result. Isn't the look stunning?
Yes.
Now let's change the cloth of these AI models with our own brand's design. So go to the virtual try on and go to AI outfit. Here you have a 3 options: AI model which generates a model just like before, default model which are pre-made model provided by Kling AI, and upload where you can upload your own model and change the clothing. I'll choose the upload option. First click on upload and select the model image. Then in the next box, upload the garment image you want to apply. Before uploading, choose whether it's a single garment or multiple garments. Since I want to change a t-shirt, I'll select a single garment and upload the image. Next, choose how many images you want and finally click on generate. In just a few minutes, our clothing model will be ready. And here is the final result. Isn't they look like a real human?
Yes.
Now let's go to the next cool features and animate this model and bring it to the life. Click on bring to life where you will find 3 options: frames, elements and effect. You can use this feature to enhance your animations, but I'll keep it simple. Go to frame section, enter prompt in the provided box and adjust the creativity and duration setting as needed. You can also add a negative prompt if required. So negative prompt you can add when you want to remove some part from your prompt. For example, you don't want to make them a smile, you can add into the negative prompt. Finally, click on generate and in few minutes your animated AI model will be ready. Check out the final result. Wow, it looks really good. I didn't expect such kind of result. So if you found my videos helpful, make sure you like and subscribe and share with your e-commerce friends. See you in the next one.